What's up guys, we're back with another video. Today we got a 4-door Toyota Tacoma in for a brand new sunroof install. Let's check out the truck. We got a 4-door Tacoma in for a Chinese sunroof. No welding, clean install. And then stay tuned for this. We're going to be doing some Camaro SS seats conversions. Remove the old cobalt seats. I have done a sunroof on this one already with black suede. We're going to change out the seats and then power them up. Starting to remove the headliner and then go from there, guys. You guys know how it goes. Start with the headliner and then start getting our measurements. Alright guys, we got the sunroof installed. We still got to work on the headliner and all that, and we got it powered up. You can see everything's wired up. Check out the back. It does have those ribs on top that stick upwards, so what I do is add a little bit of the glass, the windshield urethane right on the back, and then I'll go ahead and clean that little black part and smear it onto the side of it and make it look real good. But that's for those ribs, because if not, you're gonna have a gap there. But it seals up real tight. Looks good. Alright, all we gotta do is put a fuse in there and then we'll power it up. Almost done. Alright guys, we got the headliner done. I'm gonna go ahead and install it onto the truck. We're almost done. Check it out guys, install's done. It looks badass. You can see how that glass sticks up. Okay. Cleaning her up, wiping her down.
Perfect.
We did delete the top console just because the console was all the way up to here, and it's going to push the glass further back, which was going to make the glass look kind of weird.